Standard 7 Mathematics, 14th lesson Algebraic Formula Expansion of Squares, Practice set 50, second question. Which of the option given below is the square of the binomial x8 minus 1 upon x? Four options as given and we have to select the right option. Now we'll find out the square of this binomial. For doing the expansion of 8 minus 1 upon x the whole square, we'll use the formula a minus b the whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. So same thing we'll do over here. First term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Now the first term, that is the 8 square is 64 minus 2 8s are 16. Both the numbers are numerator, so we will multiply. 2 8s are 16, x is in the denominator upon x plus 1 square is 1 and x square is x square. So this is the right answer and the correct option is third, 64 minus 16 upon x plus 1 upon x square. Third question, of which of the binomial given below is m square n square plus 14mn p cube plus 49p square q square expansion? So we have to find out whose expansion is this, that means whose square. Is this the square of 7mn plus pq the whole square or mn plus 7pq the whole square, or this square or the multiplication of this? For this we'll write this question. We know the formula a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now if we'll write this first, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and from this if we want to write this question formula, so this is a first term square, this is the second term square, so this is the first term plus second term the whole square. Okay, so middle should be double of these two terms. So from if we know this second statement first, then we can write this first statement like this. This is the first term plus second term, and here it is the first term square and second term square. The same thing we'll use over here. This mn square is mn the whole square plus this 49p square q square is 7pq the whole square, and the middle it should be 2 into first term mn into second term 7pq. If we multiply this is 2 7s are 14 mn pq. So this middle term is also same. So this is expansion of mn, that is the first term, plus second term is 7pq. Okay, so this is the square of mn plus 7pq, and this is the right answer, mn plus 7pq. Now the fourth question, use an expansion formula to find out the values. We have to find out 997 square. If we multiply 997 into 997, we will get this answer. But we don't want to answer using this method. We have to use the expansion formula, that is the formula of a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square or a plus b into a minus b. Using that three formulas, we have to find out the value of this. Now this is a one number, we'll divide this into the two numbers. So 997 is actually 900 plus 97, we can write this, but we can write also 1000 minus 3. Okay, so we have to select the two numbers which should be it should be easy to find out the square of that number. So we'll write this because it's difficult to find the 97 square. So we'll not split this number into these two terms, we'll split in the easy numbers. So it is easy to find out the square of 1000 and the square of 3. So instead of writing 997, now we'll write 1000 minus 3. So this is 1000 minus 3 the whole square. Now it is in the form of a minus b the whole square, and the expansion is a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is the first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Here also we'll do the same thing. First term is 1000, that is the first term square, minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. So now 1000 square, no need to multiply. If it is 30, for the square we'll write 6 zeros, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 2 3s are 6 and this 3 zeros, it is 6000 plus 9. So this is 10 lakhs. So from the 10 lakhs we have to subtract the 6000 and then add 9. So how to subtract? 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 6000, 3 zeros. So this is 0 0 0. This is 10 9 9 0 4 9 9. Okay, and in this we have to add 9. So this is 994,009. So this is 9,94,009. So the answer is 9,94,009. So this is the answer for square of 997. Now 102, we'll write 100 plus 2. So a plus b the whole square formula. So a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. First term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. So 100 means 2 zeros, so 4 zeros will come. 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 400 and 4. This is 10,404. So we have to add this. So this is 10,404. So this is the answer for the second question. Now third is 97 square. So for the 97 we'll write 100 minus 3. The first number should be in tens, multiple of 10. So it is easy to find out this square. So 100 square, first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. So 2 zeros, so 4 zeros will come. 2 3s are 6 into 100, 600 plus 9. Now this is 10,000 minus 600, so 9,400 will come. 9,400 plus 9, so this is 9,409. Fourth sum 1005, that is 1005 the whole square. So we'll write into 1000 plus 5. So first term is 1000 and the second term is 5. So this is first term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. So this is 3 zeros, so here 6 zeros will come, plus this 2 5s are 10 and this 3 zeros plus 25. So this is 10 lakhs 10,025. So this is 10 lakhs 10,025. So 10,025. This is the answer for fourth question.